Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video you will learn how to fix low call volume issue on iPhone. So let's start the video without any delay. Solution 1. Select automatic under the call audio routing. Open the settings application on your iOS device. In the settings application, tap on accessibility. In the accessibility settings, tap on touch. On the next page, scroll down and tap on call audio routing. Here you need to select automatic option. Now go back to the accessibility settings page. Here tap on hearing devices. Here you need to turn on the toggle for hearing aid compatibility. Solution 2. Enable phone noise cancellation. To enable phone noise cancellation, launch the settings application on your iOS device. In the settings application, tap on accessibility. In the accessibility settings, scroll down and tap on audio and visual. Here you need to turn on the toggle for mono audio. Then turn on phone noise cancellation. Next, you need to adjust the audio volume balance between left or right channels. Solution 3. Check sounds and haptics. Open the settings application on your iOS device. Then scroll down and tap on sound and haptics. Here, drag the slider to the right to increase the volume. Then toggle on next to the change with buttons. That's all for today. Like our video and subscribe to the channel.